Yes, maybe you can say a few words before the screening.
Hello, my name is Jakub Veldsman. I am one of the screenwriters. So I'm not the director, so please do not boo me if the actors act bad. It's not my fault. My fault is the writing. I have to say.
Moje ime je Jakub Veldsman, ja sam scenarista filma. Ako vam se film slučajno ne bude svidao, nemojte meni da zviždite, pošto reditelj trenutno nije ovde, a i ako glumci nešto loše rade, to nije do njega.
What concerns the writing, I have to say that very often it happens that as a screenwriter, if you write something, then you give it to the director, and then you see something on the screen that is quite different from what you have written. And so I have to say, for this film, almost everything that we have written together, that I have undersigned, is there in the film. It really, the lines are.
So we can boo you. Obično kao scenarista, kada napišete tekst i predate reditelju, na kraju rezultat toga bude potpuno drugačiji od onoga što ste zamislili. Međutim, u ovom slučaju, sve što je radio i sve što je podvlačio i naglašavao, sve se nalazi ovdje u filmu, što je za njega kao scenaristu izuzetno dobro osjećanje.
And I will say one trivia that the film is based on a true story, even that maybe you will not believe, and even though it's rewritten, but it is still is based on the true story of well.
Da, film je baziran na istinitoj priči, iako možda će vam se činiti da nije. Međutim, to se stvarno, isti događaj se dogodio.
And I am here also to say hello to you from the side of the director, Olmo Omerzu, who is my colleague from the school, who is Slovenian, and who...
Da, i samo pozdravimo ime reditelja Olmo Omerzua, koji nikako nije mogao da dođe, nažalost ovde, a sad smo čuti razloga.
And who was unable to come because he was recently in another festival in Russia, and he just sent me a text message that he has won the director's prize in the festival that is called Voices in Russia, in south of Moscow. So well.
Reditelj je mogao da dođe, pošto je baš trenutno na festivalu u Moskvi, ili u Moskvi, i je javio da je film dobio nagradu tamo, i to nagradu za nagradu režije. Festival se zove Voices.
Well, so I'm happy for him. Well, you can judge yourself. Well, whatever. If you would like to, I will come after the screening. If you would have any question, I will try to answer for the director, since I know a lot of his answers.
Nakon projekcije ćemo napraviti razgovor sa rediteljem, tako da nemojte otići. Sa scenaristom.
Or even well, whatever. Yes, and if you will not have any questions, I will just say one more trivia, so I will come anyway.
I ako ne budete imali pitanja, on će svakako doći da vam ispričaš neke zanimljive stvari oko filma.
So we enjoyed the screening, and I'm happy that the film has been selected for Palech, and I'm happy for. Thank you, Petar, the director.
You promised us you'll tell us one more story regarding this true story, so let's start with this.
Well, I suppose, all the questions are always about the story, about why, how come that it is a real story. So I will, the trivia I prepared is completely different. It's just, it's concerning the work of the cinematographer.
Da, priča koju sam obećao ću pričati kasnije je priča o svetu kinematografije.
It is also our colleague from the school. It is his graduation film. His name is Lukáš Milota, and this film was a starting point for his career. Now he's working with big productions in Czech Republic.
Prijatelj sa fakulteta s kojim sam počeo da radim, ovo je njemu također prvi projekat na kojem je radio, a sada je već prešao na neke velike projekte visoko.
and I only wanted to say that most part of this film takes place in the apartment. It was meant to be an exterior apartment, a real block of flat hallway, block of flat.
Da, za film, za snimanje filma u početku trebalo im je sve se dešava u jednom stanu, tako da su tražili, imali su par opcija. Jedna opcija je bila da bude u studiju napravljen stan, a druga...
But then the producer got a really good deal with the studios, with Barrandov Studios, and so they decided everything was already located. There was a flat where it should take place and everything. But then they decided, and I wanted to say that all of it is built in the studio, on the set.
Na kraju je ceo stan izgrađen u studiju Barrandovu u Češkoj.
But even though the cinematographer decided to use only the lights that you can see, he decided to build even the ceilings, so you don't see the lights from above. There are no lights from above. He only uses the lights that you can see, so the lamps and everything.
Da, i pošto je direktor fotografije hteo da jedino svetlo koje se vidi uopšte u filmu da bude svetlo prirodno koje i naše oči vide, da nema dodatnog svetla, onda su čak napravili i plafon za taj stan u studiju.
So they said that then the producer saw the film and they said now he's a complete DOP, he can do whatever film he can, so this.
Da, na kraju producent rekao stvarno ako je uspeo to da uradi ovaj film, onda će sigurno biti uspešan sa bilo čim.
But if you have any question about why the children, what do the parents do, and so just go on and I have the answers.
Ako imate pitanje oko toga gde su roditelji ove dece i bilo šta, samo navalite. Kako su reagovala deca na snimanju?
Well, if you mean the actors, the real actors, first of all, the blonde guy, he is a real actor, so for him it was a professional thing.
Ovako, u pitanju su profesionalni glumci. Za početak profesionalni glumac je glavni plavi ili svetli lik.
For the other, everybody was terrified what will happen when he was about to kiss the woman in the dream sequence. Even the actress was really terrified. She was worried that she would be convicted of.
Da, bili su svi prestravljeni tom scenom sna u filmu. I čak i glumica bila predstavljena od toga kako će sve to i kako će ljudi reagovati, da li će se film zabraniti, da li će nju neko proganjati zbog toga.
But the scene, it was the very first scene of the shooting. They did it, this was the beginning and then they shot the rest. And there was no conviction that came.
Da, to su prvo snimili u filmu i na kraju nije niko se bunio od toga.
So it was like all of a sudden. They came and now the director said, now you have to kiss, you have to be kissing, like really, and so they did, and then they realized what happened.
Da, reditelj je samo rekao, sad ćete se ljubiti i oni su krenuli sa tim i snimili, tek na kraju su shvatili šta su uradili.
Yes, and when the actress, she said that she still, it's in her and she's difficult and it was always like, it kept in her during all the rest of the shooting. Difficult for her.
Da, za glumicu je kasnije bilo teško, pošto nikako je ta scena nije izlazila iz glave.
They heard Honza, the guy, they heard him the other day coming from school when he was telling all the set that at the school it was his day because he said, now, I was kissing the 20-year-old.
Kasnije su čuli da kada je dečak se vraćao iz škole, da su bio glavni heroj tog dana u školi posle snimanja te scene, zato što je ljubio 20-godišnjakinju.
The truth is that they are 15 years old, both. They were, at the time of the shooting, 15 years old.
Da, u vreme snimanja su imali 15 godina.
And the other trivia is that after the shooting was done, they had to do the dubbing for some scenes.
Da, nakon snimanja filma su morali da snimaju glasove posebno.
And then they realized they just couldn't because the voices of the boys are just, you know, they called them a half a year later and just like one head bigger guys came with really like low voices. And
kasnije, kada su to trebali snime, pojavili su ta dvojica ogromnih nekada dečaka kojima su glasovi montirali, pa je bio problem da urade svoje. Did somebody else at the end did their voices, or they did it?
Well, yes, they were doing some. Well, the boys they didn't. They just had to manage another way. But, yeah.
Da, nisu na kraju dečaci radili glas. Da.
But if you want to know what do the parents think, the parents of the children.
Ako vas zanima šta su radili roditelji ove dece.
I can tell you because we had, when we were writing the film, we had a personality of a mathematician that is coming to the cinema to see our film.
U početku smo imali, what was it?
A mathematics teacher or something. Mathematics. Somebody really logical who would arrive to the scene and who would arrive to the cinema and who would be standing there. And when we were writing, we always said at some points like, this is the point where the mathematician will stand up and leave this. You know.
Da, imali su plan da, dok su radili na filmu, zamislili su uvijek da u publici postoji jedan profesor matematike. I onda su u odnosu na to zamislili, sad na ovoj sceni sigurno mi profesor matematike ustavi na pustija salu.
And my father is a mathematician, so I know that he didn't dare to leave the cinema at the day where he saw the film, but afterwards this was his question. I will tell you the question.
Da, i na kraju, pošto je njegov otac matematičar, predaje matematiku, he left this cinema.
No, he didn't. And he only
pustio da.
Yeah, and he only asked about how come the teacher of the children invite them to share, to do a party together with them, and the other thing was, what do the parents do when the children didn't call them, they didn't do anything, they just they have to, you know, be dying with worries that what would happen. So.
Da, to je bilo čudno svo vreme, da roditelji, mislim, čudno je da nisu nazvali ili pitali, a roditelji bi bili zabrinuti.
To put it simple, it was the intention to create this kind of atmosphere that they are questions untold, unresolved, and that the story really is focusing on what is happening between the three adult people.
Da, ideja filma je bila, namera je bila i da se prikaže baš stvari tako je, kako jesu, šta je to što se dešava upravo sada, bez tih objašnjavanja i dodatnih pitanja kao što su ovo o kojima već pričamo.
And Olmo, the director,
režiser Olmo,
he didn't want to be a coming-of-age story, a story of the two youngsters that, you know, realize what is it drinking and what is it smoking marijuana, whatever.
Da, ideja reditelja nije bila da predstavi priču o maloj deci i njihovom odrastanju, nego baš je to troje odraslih ljudi.
He wanted them to be present to very cruel games that happen between the adult people, and sometimes the games that even the adults don't realize how cruel they are against each other, and the children, the innocent, the unexperienced, they are there to fully respond, like internally, to what is really happening between the.
Da, i film se bavi tim surovim igrama odraslih ljudi i kada pogledamo i tu decu koja se tu obično su ona na neki način upijaju sve to i utiče na njih. A da ni oni sami nisu svesni, mislim, na stariji. Some other question, neko drugo pitanje možda? I want to ask you, is this your first film also as a script writer?
Yes.
Da li je ovo prvi film kao scenariste?
Yes, the first feature script.
Da, prvi dokumentarni film. And also, this Endor film is the new company in Czech Republic. As I know, now you have just 2 films.
No, actually, it isn't a very new company, but Jirka, the producer, he was at FAMU like 5 years before of us, and it took him some time to get into the production, but he already did some documentaries and other films as well, like some 4 or 5 films before. But still for him, and as I know him, he's living it as it was his first film, and this is his first real big success because of the Berlinale.
Da, producentske kuće radile su pre neke dokumentarne filmove i kratke filmove, međutim ovo je prvi dokumentarni igrani film koji su radili kao produkcijska kuća. Thank you very much. Ako nemate pitanja, mi bismo na pauzu. If you don't have any questions, we can take a pause.
Thank you.